Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kids.
And you are?
I'm G Money.
And I'm Mr. S. Tonight is a special edition. It's a Sunday night edition, and we are doing breakfast for dinner. Even better, we get to take a look inside one of my students' kitchens. Her name is Purpose. She's going to be making eggs and grits. Amazing. Wait till you see these eggs. Like, I make eggs, but these things are amazing. I wish I could try them. And the grits look phenomenal. So, Purpose, over to you.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Kids, and today I'm going to be making eggs and grits with my fam. So let's get into it. So we're making eggs and grits. So I have 2 bowls, a 1/2 measuring cup and a 1/3 measuring cup, some cheese, some eggs, some grits, salt and pepper, milk, and make sure you have your butter. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so always the first thing you're gonna do when you start cooking is wash your hands. Like, you gotta wash your hands. So I'll get back to you when I'm done washing my hands. Okay, so I'm done washing my hands. So first we're gonna start making the eggs. Okay, so with the eggs, I know I have like a lot of ingredients. So with the eggs, you're gonna need one of the bowls. You're gonna need the eggs, of course. Like, how do you make eggs without eggs? Okay, you're going to need salt and pepper and milk. It's super easy. And you're also gonna need the stove. So if you need parents to help you with the stove, please ask your parents. Don't blow up your house. Please don't blow up your house. So yeah, the first thing we're gonna put in is the eggs. So let's do it. Have a fork. So 1, and then crack it, and then just pop it in. Make sure you don't get any eggshells in it, or else it's gonna taste crunchy, and that's disgusting. So I'll see you when I put all of my eggs in. So I put my eggs in. Let me see if I can show you. Put my eggs in. So I put my eggs in. I have 6 eggs in. So got my eggs in my bowl. So now you have to stir it. So yeah, let's stir our eggs. So I mixed my eggs, so now I'm going to put the milk in. So you don't want to put too much milk in, or else it's just going to be like, eh. So you don't want to put too much milk in, but put your milk in. So, like, let's see. Maybe like hold it for 1, 2, 3. That's all. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. That's all. Okay? So 3 seconds, and then mix it again. So now we're gonna put our salt and pepper in. So if you look at our eggs, it looks like there was no milk because we stirred it really well. And if you can see that there's no milk in it, that's when you stir it really well. So then you're gonna put your salt and pepper in. So just like dazzle some pepper, dazzle some salt. You can do some dances like ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. So you dazzle your little salt and pepper. Then you're going to stir. Okay, I'll show you the next part. So then what you're going to do is you're going to get some oil. You can have like vegetable oil or, any type of oil you need. And then you're going to, where's the pans? Now you're going to put don't put too much oil, or else it's just going to be oily. So what you're going to do is you're going to put, so if you have your cap, what I like to do is I like to put a cap worth of oil. So just, pour your oil into the cap and then pour it out. I'm going to pour a little bit more. Just a little bit. There you go. Okay. So, as we're doing that, I'm going to wash my hands because I got some oil on. Now we're going to turn the fire on. So this is where you can get an adult with you. I've cooked eggs for a long time now, but you should always, have an adult by your
Try that segment over. That didn't work.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready? So, I just put 2 1/3 of grits. So I put my grits into my 1/3 cup, put it in, and did it again. So I have my grits. Then you're gonna get a cup of water. I'm using a 1/2 cup, so I'm gonna do 2. So I'm gonna bring my grits over here to the sink, and I'm gonna get some fresh water. Then go slowly. Make sure you get all that water. Pour it in. That's 1. 2. So let me tell you something. So when you're making just a regular bowl of grits, like if you're making a bowl of grits that's this size, you use 1/3 and 1 1/2 cup of water. So you use use 1/3 of grits and 1 1/2 cup of water. So I'm gonna do 3 cups of water. So yeah, I'll see when I put 3 cups of water in. Okay, so I'm gonna switch off to a cup. So I put 2 cups of this, which is 1. So then I'm gonna put 2 more cups. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. There we go. Pour in. The next one. Fill it up, 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 fill it up. Pour it in. Okay. So now we have our water in. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna put salt, pepper, and butter in there because we have to put salt and pepper in there. So we're gonna put our salt. Dash salt. Salt, pepper. Okay, pepper. Okay. Then we have to take the butter. So you're gonna get a chunk of butter. That's not too much. There we go. A chunk of butter. Pop it in there. Okay, that's enough butter. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna put it into the microwave. Do you ever wonder why microwave is named microwave? Okay, so you're gonna put your grits in for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna press 5. And I'm gonna start. So now we've done our grits. So we're gonna go back to our eggs. So as you can tell, it's pretty nice. Now we're gonna put the eggs in. Okay. Okay, put up right there. And I'm just gonna pump it in. Oh, that sound is just satisfying. Okay. Put our grits over here. Done. Okay. Do some knocked off jokes. So it's called Greatest Goodness Ever. So yeah, let's find some good ones. Okay. Mom, you have to answer. Okay. Why are Baker's kids so bored? This is a good one. Why are Baker's kids so bored?
They're all in the dough.
Because they have muffin to do.
Okay.
That was actually
I like
really
it.
good.
That was pretty good.
good.
That was
Okay,
pretty good.
okay.
Try it again. Try it again.
Okay. What is a plumber's favorite movie?
The pipeline.
No. 200,000 leagues under the sea.
That sounds good. I
Okay.
think you should check your eggs now.
Yeah, I'm gonna check my eggs. Come back for more jokes with Kirkness. Alright, so we're gonna turn off the stove. And our grits are also done. So we're gonna get out. Actually, our grits aren't done. Okay, so since we doubled the recipe, we have to put it in for some more minutes. So I'm gonna put it for 4 more minutes. So you know, like, let's do more jokes. Like, jokes are fun. Okay. Okay, ready, Mom?
Yes.
What would you get? Okay, what would you get if you crossed a Cardi? Wait, that's not good. Let's see, which one's a good one? Let's do a good one.
Adventure.
What has 6 legs and flies?
6 legs and flies?
Yeah.
Cornelius.
A witch giving her a cat ride.
Who?
A witch giving her a cat ride.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that wasn't too good. That wasn't too
Oh,
good.
that wasn't too good. That wasn't too
It
good.
wasn't
Let's try
that
another
good.
one.
Ooh, okay,
Your
ready?
big sister is doing
Sound
sound
effects.
effects. I think
Come say hi to YouTube.
No, she doesn't want to be on YouTube.
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
All right. Okay. You can always edit this. You can always edit it. Go.
What the? No, it's not good. We have to find a good
Can you
one.
talk? Can you talk,
No, can you
please?
be quiet? Can you talk right? Okay, quiet.
Okay.
Okay, I would tell you one from memory because I really like this joke. Okay, so a duck went to the store and said, "Do you have any grapes?" to the cash register. The cash register said, "No, we do not have any grapes." So the duck left. Let's show the duck scene.
Okay, duck scene.
So the duck left. Then the duck came back to the same store and came in and said to the register, "Do you have any grapes?" And the register said, "No, we do not have any grapes." So the duck left again.
Okay, so the duck went again. All right,
The duck came back the next day.
the next day. Okay. This
He
is,
said to the
this is the
register,
next day.
"Do you have any grapes?" And the register said, "No. If you come back here another time and ask for grapes, you are going to get nailed. Your duck is going to get nailed." So the duck left again.
I wish that he was this.
So then the duck came back the next day, and the duck asked if the register had any nails, and the register said, "No, we do not have any nails." So the duck asked, "Do you have any grapes?" That's the end of my joke. Hope you like the sound effects in the background. It's called having a big sister. We're all in quarantine. So, as you can hear, my mom's laughing in the background, and yeah, I just wanted to, So guys, we're going to clean up our stuff. So, gonna put your grits away.
I'm in a video too, right?
Yes, you are in the video. Put your grits. Put your grits away. Put your grits. Put your grits away. Put your grits. Put your stuff away. I'm really not a good singer, but it's okay. Then you're gonna put your measuring cups away. Put your measuring cups away. Then you're gonna put your milk away. Put the milk away. The milk away. Then you put your oil away. Your oil away. Okay, now we're gonna put our salt and pepper. But you know, the salt and pepper goes right here, so we can always just be like, we need salt and pepper. Then we're gonna put our eggs away. And you know, for like purpose, we never use the cheese. Now that is because I don't know what to say. You're going to save the cheese. We're going to save the cheese for last. So I'll show you what we use with the cheese. So we have our eggs done. And we have our grits done. Smells good, right? And we're gonna put grits over here. Now, the last thing I like to do is I'm gonna get a cup. Where's my cup? Here's my cup. I'm gonna wash it out. I told you I needed cheese, right? I do need cheese. And I'm gonna show you why I need cheese. So, what you wanna do, if you wanna use cheese, you don't have to. It's optional. You take your cheese. So my cheese broke a little bit, but it's okay. So I'm gonna fold it in half. Then I'm gonna fold it another half.
Hi.
So it's in fourths. And
Dang
then
it. Okay.
your cup. So what I'm doing here is I'm melting the cheese. So when you put it on something, it's like nacho cheese, you know? So pop it in. Oop, that was loud. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, for 30 seconds. So I just like to remind you guys, make sure you're staying 6 feet away from people and keep your social distancing and wash your hands. Use your hand sanitizer. We gotta get our cheese so it's all oozy like that. And
Nice.
ooh, so glossy. Okay, so now let's plate our food. Cheese on there. Oh, my cheese fell out. Okay, there we go. Got some cheese.
Close the cupboard.
So here's the complete plate. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks, Purpose. How amazing did that look? Remember, breakfast, it's not only breakfast, it's for dinner as well. Thanks, Purpose, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Cooking with Kids.